here to be a part of Inter-House Western Solo Song Competition. I would like to welcome our respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Headmistress Ma'am, Coordinator Ms. Deepanjali, who is the heart and soul of Middle Wing, Teacher in charge Mr. Alex, music teacher in our school who trains students under his expert and able guidance, IT head Ms. Varkha, a dedicated computer teacher and technology expert, activity in charge Ms. Tushi, who leaves no efforts to make every event a success. Overall house in charge Ms. Anju, a person responsible for fair and spirited inter-house activities. Our motivational house wardens who keep the sportsman spirit alive. Bluebells, Ms. Neha, well that's me. Daffodils, Mr. Virendra Singh Negi. Shamrocks, Dr. Ragini Gupta. Tulips, Mr. Dayashankar Verma. And our respected jury members, Ms. Raj Smriti, a founder and creative director of online blog Folk Tales, has penned 3 books based on the lives of inspiring Indians. An MBA in HRM from IMT Ghaziabad. She is a dynamic entrepreneur. Ms. Lynette John is a musician and a Western music teacher working at St. Mary's Convent Inter College, RDSO. A Western singer, composer, lyricist, pianist, winner of Beauty Face contest in Lucknow. We all are honored to have both of you here, and I welcome you on behalf of Delhi Public School, Gomti Nagar Extension family.
Welcome to our warm and lovely introduction. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Deepanjali ma'am as well as Varinder ma'am here. Ma'am, if you'd like to say a few words to encourage our participants here before the performance.
First of all, I would like to welcome both the judges. As Neha ma'am, you have told, we are honored to have you with us, ma'am. And secondly, I would like to appreciate the efforts of Alexander sir, the way he has planned all the things, and he is extremely talented. So that is beyond words. I cannot explain it in words.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the encouraging word. So let's begin with Bluebell's house. And before we begin, let's give all the participants a huge round of applause. All the best, everyone.
All the best, children. Do your best.
All right. So from Bluebell's house, may we have Anushruti from 6A. She's going to sing Run Away. Anushruti?
I was listening to the ocean. I saw faces stand. But then I picked it up. Then it vanished away from my hands. Go.
Next we have Alice from 7th B. She's going to sing Sober.
Mama, I'm so sorry, I'm not sober anymore. And Daddy, please forgive me for the drink spilled on the floor. To the ones who never left me, we've been down this road before. I'm so sorry, I'm not sober anymore.
Next in the line we have Soha from 8th B, and she's going to sing Perfect.
For me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me.
Next we had another participant was Gorgon from 8th A. Unfortunately, she could not perform today because she is not well. So we'll move on to Daffodil's house. We have Athar from 6B, and he's going to sing We Are the World.
We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Whether twice we are making, we are saving our own life. It's true, better days, just you and me.
Next we have Darsh from 8th A, and he's going to sing a very famous number, Believe.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things are been. Oh, the way that things are been. Oh, second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the bird at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh.
Amazing,
Very
Darsh.
good, Darsh.
Amazing performance. You were not just singing, you were enjoying so much that you made us enjoy. Next, we have Diva from 6th A, and she's going to sing Pretty is on the Inside.
I don't look like her. She's been all the magazines, so much prettier than me. You don't look like her. Staring at my outfit's good. Why shouldn't I just take the train?
Next, we have Morvika from 7th B, and she's going to sing Love Is Gone.
I'm so weak. I know this is amazing. Don't tell me that your love is gone. That your love is gone. Don't tell me that your love is gone. That your love is gone.
Now we have Arav from Shamrocks from 6B, and he's going to sing California.
Welcome to the hotel, California. Such a lonely place. Such a lonely place. Plenty of them at the hotel, California. Anytime I feel, you can find it there.
Next, we have Richa from 7th B, going to sing Dark Side.
Take me to the night, falling to the dark side. We don't need the light, we live on the dark side. Let's relive while we still young.
Next, we have Sarah from 6C, and she's going to sing a popular number, Love Me Like You.
You can see that what you brought to life, to life. So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do, love me like you do, la la, love me like you do, touch me like you do, touch me like you do.
Next, we have Anugrah from 7C. He's going to sing Count on Me.
When we are caught to help ourselves believe, you can count on me. 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need you.
Now it's time for Tulip's House. So first, we'll have Vedant from 6C. He's going to sing Titanic.
Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. That is how I know you. Go on.
Next, we have Hiral from 7th B, going to sing Faded.
Afraid of every other wanna alive. Where are you now? Where are you now?
Next, we have Yati from 6C, and she's going to sing Dance Monkey.
Wanna cry, and I'll beg to see you dance one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do the thing you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
All right. We have our last participant now, Urvi from 7C, and she's going to sing We're Going to Ibiza.
High, Ibiza sky. Whoa, we're going to Ibiza. Whoa, back to the island. Whoa, we're gonna have a party.
So with this, we have concluded our solo song, Inter-House Western Solo Song competition. May I please respect our jury members, respected jury members, Ms. Rajsmiti ma'am and Ms. Lynette, if they could say a few words about the performances. I'm sure.
Thank you so much. The performance was lovely. It's indeed nice to see that, in these tough times, schools are putting in so much effort, not just in academics, but also into the art and the craft, because music is something that can heal the world. I firmly believe that. So this is one of the most beautiful initiative I've come across online, and thank you for having me. Children, you were lovely. Thoroughly enjoyed your performances. You were totally into the mood, singing, enjoying. So I had a great time. Keep singing, keep spreading music. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you so much, ma'am. May I
Thank you,
please
ma'am.
request Miss Lynette, if you could say a few words.
Children, your performance was wonderful because in difficult times, like ma'am said, in difficult times, this is the best medicine. And keep singing, don't worry, just enjoy yourself and keep listening to music and keep singing, especially in front of the mirror. That is the best place to practice. And thank you for having me as a judge. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the inspiring words. In fact, I would like to thank you for carving out your time from your precious time from your hectic schedule. Thank you so much for joining.
Request Ma'am Lynette to sing a song for us.
Yes, ma'am, if you could. We'll be honored,
By the
ma'am.
time
Please.
by the time we are just compiling the result, please.
Thank you
We
so
can
much.
have one more, ma'am, from you. We want one more from you. By the time we
That
are just
would be
compiling.
amazing.
Yeah.
Sure, sure. Feeling coming over, and there is wonder in most everything I see.
Awesome.
Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if this is I'm on the top of the world. God creation and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Gonna be on the top of the world.
May I please request Dipanjali ma'am to do the honors of announcing the results, please?
I have got the results. So, first of all, I would like to thank both the judges for gracing the occasion. Um, Ma'am Rajasmriti and Ma'am Lynette. Ma'am Lynette, your voice was truly mesmerizing. I was lost in the song. It was really beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, ma'am. So now let us come to the results. On first position, we have Daffodil's House, Darsh Shailesh Kulkarni.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, ma'am.
So a huge round of applause for Darsh.
Yes, indeed.
On second position, we have Tulip's House, Yati Chandra. So very well done, Yati. Your
Thank you, ma'am.
gestures, you were truly enjoying the performance. I saw your body movements, your gestures. It was really beautiful.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
On third position, we have Shamrock's House, Sara Anand. So Sara is from Shamrock's House and she's at the third position. And at fourth position, we have Bluebell's House, Soha Moving. So that's all for today's competition. In my eyes, all the students are winners. All of you have performed extremely well.
Right. Alex,
Thank you so much.
round of applause to you. You've done a commendable job, and keeping children engaged to music in these tough times, it's truly commendable. So keep rocking, keep singing, keep teaching music. A huge round of
Thank you.
applause to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Very well said, ma'am. Alex sir is like he is an asset to our organization. Like music, he is doing extremely well with the children, like training the students, and that is a proud applause for Alex sir also. Like I have no words to describe him. He has been
No,
the
and
same way since
You,
he has joined the organization. Very, very hardworking. Thank you so much,
and
ma'am,
sir.
thank you,
entire
ma'am.
team of DPS, you all deserve a huge round of applause. A lot of efforts has
Yeah.
gone in organizing this. So entire team DPS under the leadership of Principal Ma'am deserves
Yes,
an
ma'am.
applause. I'm not sure other schools are doing this or not. For me, this was the first school from where I got the music judging invitation in these pandemic times. So that's truly commendable that you are not neglecting music and art and craft. So good job.
Ma'am,
Very good.
Principal Ma'am is the guiding force. She is the guiding
Yes.
force behind these activities. She is our mentor. She makes sure that along with academics, all these activities are going on in the school. So thank you, Principal Ma'am, for that. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,